Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change your birth date on TurboTax in 2025. Whether you made a mistake while setting up your account or need to update your information, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and hassle-free. Stick around because I'll make sure you don't miss a single detail. Navigate to the TurboTax website first, open your web browser, and type TurboTax. Make sure you're on the official website for your security. Avoid third-party links. They can put your personal information at risk. Sign in to your account. Next, click on the Sign In button on the homepage. Enter your username and password carefully. This will take you straight to your TurboTax account homepage. Access your account homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll see an overview of your tax preparation status and any alerts. This is your dashboard, where all account management options are accessible. Locate and click Intit Account. Now find the Intit Account option. Clicking this will take you to the section where you can manage your personal details. Select the Profile option. Inside the Intit Account section, select Profile. This page displays all your personal information linked to TurboTax. Update your date of birth scroll to the Date of Birth section. Click on it to enable editing. Enter your correct birth date carefully. Remember, even a small mistake can affect your tax documents, so double-check everything before moving on. Save your changes. Once you've confirmed that your birth date is accurate, click the Save button. This ensures your updated information is stored in your account. And that's it. Updating your birth date on TurboTax is simple if you follow these steps carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.